Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today I am doing a review on the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer, and I am in the shade, I don't know if I mentioned this in the video, but medium brown, so that's 3. I'm in the shade 310. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I felt it in my brows with this product, and towards the end of the video I'm going to give you my honest opinion about this brow definer. So keep watching. Alright, so the shade that I got is medium brown, and it's still in its original packaging and all that jazz. I've always used the ColourPop and the Anastasia brow pencils. I'm trying to think if I used another brand. I don't think I did. And I used like MAC's Mystery to fill in my eyebrows, but it was kind of like a hit and miss with this color. I chose medium brown because I feel like it'll be kind of similar to Begging Brunette, and my hunch was correct. Pretty similar to Begging Brunette. So there is literally nothing on my brows, so I can tell you right now I don't like this brush. Like, this little brush is like what it's like, it's a joke, I think. So there's nothing in my eyebrows, so yeah, I'm just brushing them with this stupid little brush spoolie. I don't like it at all, but I like the more like the traditional shape spoolie because it's just so much faster. You see? Bam. So this is very similar. I don't have it to the Anastasia Definer, I think that's what it's called, but it kind of has that triangle shape to it, has that pointy edge and all that jazz. And this, I believe I got it for like $6 or $8. I can't remember, but I got it at Target. So I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows like I know how I normally would do it. I feel like it's harder to put the product on my eyebrows. Like, it's more waxier than I like. But I did press a little bit harder. And as you can tell, my natural brows are pretty full and thick. So whoa, what did I do? I don't know, it's like doing an okay job filling them in. I do like it was like super easy to fill like the front of my brows with this, but I hate the spoolie like with a passion. Okay, let me zoom out so we can see what these bad boys look like. This one looks really dark. This can't, maybe, okay, now it looks a little bit better. I don't know, you guys. Honestly, like, I don't like how it just doesn't, it's too waxy for me compared to like the ColourPop one. Like, look at that. See how it just, bam, right away. This is the ColourPop and this is the Maybelline, and the ColourPop one's cheaper than the Maybelline. Look at the Anastasia. Well, there's no product. It's kind of similar to the Anastasia one. It's a little more waxy. Doesn't distribute a lot of product. You have to really press on it to get some color. But the thing is, I don't really like that because I feel like it's not filling in my eyebrows the way I like it. I'm not loving it. Let me finish putting my face on. I kind of stopped production to finishing my face. So I'm just put some bronzer on, some lipstick, and then a highlighter, and some blusher, and I'll be right back. I'm not a big fan of this. The color is a great color. It's a great match for me personally, but I don't like the consistency of it, like the texture of it. It's too waxy for me. I like something like ColourPop, where it's just more, it's a little bit more pigmented for me because I don't have a heavy hand sometimes. Like today was one of those days where I kind of had a heavy hand, but most of the times I really don't fill in my eyebrows like so dramatically. I just fill in like the sparse areas, but since I really wanted to try out this new brow product, I just kind of went to town on my eyebrows. Out of 10 stars, I gave it like a 3. I don't like even the spoolie on this little contraction. I think the only thing I really do like is that it's the angle of this. I do like that. It's very similar to the Anastasia. eyebrow pencil. But personally, I'm not a big fan of it. I really did try to like it. You know, I was just messing around with it, filling in my eyebrows like I normally do. I just didn't like it. That's my opinion on this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review that I did. If you did, please like this video and leave a comment down below for future stuff you would like for me to review for you guys. Till my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye.